Welcome back. This is Halo in Minecraft. Today I'm going to show you how to draw one of, one of these things. It's like, I'm going to show you how to draw this. Oh, actually, I'm going to teach you how. Watch. I'm gonna teach you something else. Just watch. Just make sure you can see. Okay, ready? Let's go. Send me complaints of what you want me to draw. I'll draw anything. First, you first start with a small one. Then you go with a big one. Then you go with the largest one. Well, I'm not showing you how to draw this. I'm showing you how to draw something else. It's gonna be like a shark eye. How you can draw like a shark's eye. Well, watch. Well, make sure the eye is like this, or else you can't do it. Like when you do the circle, make it like a T. Okay. Then comes the mouth. Make sure you do like some sharp teeth. Now this. That's how you make you know, like how goldfish is? Well, this is the goldfish part right here. Let me show you. It's like you show like some sharks. And now you like this. Like this. Then at the end, way end, you're gonna draw like a shark tooth. Like a little bit like a shark tooth. Okay? Make sure you draw this line or else you're not gonna remember that it's a tooth. Now draw these things and make sure the eye of the T and you must draw like another one like that. See? Now here comes the bottom. Now it should look like it's like a boat way, or else then you messed up. I promise you, you should pause it. If you mess something up, go back to the beginning, because I'll be showing more shit like these. I'll be showing more pictures like these. I'll be drawing them. And there. That's how you make like a shark. That's how you make a good shark. That's how you make a cool shark. Making it look cooler. See? Thank you. Please Ask me any questions, like, ask me you want to draw anything.